Hello my amazing friends and welcome back to my channel. You're not going to believe this one, but I got my Sephora Play box 2 days ago. Yes, I did say 2 days ago, and you know that if I did not sit down and film this for the last 2 days, you know I must be really flippin' tired. But I really want to see what's in this. I am beyond exhausted. I did not touch up my makeup. I did throw on some lip gloss, so because my lips are chapped, I was not about to do lipstick. So, you know, hold on, I'm looking for my Hello Kitty here. You know how bad it must be if I waited for 2 days to open one of my boxes. So while I tear into this little puppy, Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription box in which you get 5 baby samples, little tiny baby samples. My friend Abadabs calls them Smurf size samples for little baby Smurfs to play with and do their makeup. You know, they need makeup too. One of the pros of this box, and I can't open the darn thing, one of the pros of this box is all of the products that are in here are sold at Sephora, so you do not have to go on a manhunt trying to find out where to get the products. If you like them, you can just go into Sephora and you can pick them up. And when you open the box, on top there is a pamphlet, and on the pamphlet they give you a card that you can bring into Sephora. I have a gazillion of these because you can't stack the coupons. I don't go in a store that much, so they're piling up and they're only good for a month, and it's 50 extra bonus points. With, you know, if I probably have I don't know, 800 of them at this point, and it's really disappointing that I don't use them, but it's a pain in the butt. My cats are shedding, so I have random cat hairs, A, flying around me, and B, they're getting stuck to my lip gloss. It's such a pleasant experience. We get a little Ziploc baggie, which they never ever seal. What does it take to take the extra effort to seal the bag? I don't know, but they're back to red. Last month we actually got pink. This one's pretty stuffed, and I'm very excited to see what's in it. But first I just want to open this up. I don't want to look at the products, but I do want to look at the front of this. And it says, "Greetings from Play." Oh, it's National Best Friends Day is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate with some handmade beauty cards. How cute this is! It's very adorable, and you guys are all my besties, so whenever Best Friends Day is, happy Best Friends Day. Let's dive into this and see what we got. Okay, we got a sample of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. I'm trying to think if I have tried this or not. I'm not thoroughly satisfied with my eye cream, although I have to say, my eyes have been less dry lately. So maybe the cream I am working, I'm using a combination of two. Maybe it is working and I just have been so exhausted I haven't paid attention. This is a little baby jar with the recessed thing over here. Let's see how much we actually get. If I could pop it open. It has a light scent. It's almost a floral scent. Let me just test the consistency. Feels very nice. I do feel a little bit of silicone in there. Silicone products aren't the best for your under eyes, but I do find, or for your skin products, they're not harmful, but they're not the best, if you do know, you know what I mean. I do find that when I use a silicone-based eye cream on top of a more moisturizing one, that it sometimes can blur some of the fine lines that may be there. The same way a silicone-based primer is going to blur your pores and stuff like that. So I'm happy to have this. Yay! Feeling oh, yay! Look! Okay. Did they watch something? I had wanted to try this. I've been wanting to smell this. I have been in store and I forgot to smell it. I have to smell this. I'm going to try to get out of my head. By the way, this is the Sol de Janeiro Cocoa Cabana cream. Okay. Supposedly it smells like butter popcorn. I'm going to try to remove those thoughts from my mind. Go away, go away, go away. Okay. I'm going to sniff this with an open mind. That's wrong. Ready? Smells very strong. I'm smelling marshmallow though. Oh God, it does smell like butter popcorn. Damn it! But I smell marshmallow. Toasted coconut. Alright, There's a lot on here, and I am not letting this go to waste because these are expensive. I'm going to get every last drop off of here. All right, I'm not going to lie. Now that I have it in my head, it does kind of smell like the Jelly Belly buttered popcorn, but it's not. I happen to like that. I'm just going to smell my arm, but some people don't like it. Whatever it smells like, I like it. I definitely smell like a toasted marshmallow, but it definitely doesn't have the coconut smell to it. I just smell what I'm smelling, so I don't know. Really happy that I have it because I think this is like, I don't know, $10, a ridiculous amount of money, but yay. Hello, Baxy. Now let's pull out I'm very glad we got a perfume sample this month and not a foil packet, hair care packet, because I'm just over those right now. This is from Vor. Oh, Vor. Victor and Rolf. It's magic. It says salty flower. Salty flower? I'm going to smell like salt to go with the buttered popcorn, I guess. I don't know, but we'll find out. It's really pretty. What are the notes in here? Well, I can't freaking read this. Regardless, it's kind of floral, but not that heavy floral. It's just really nice. I like it. But it does have those underlying floral notes. Those are like the bottom notes. I can smell them. When I first smelled it, I smelled it less, but now I smell the floral more. Regardless, I like it. Ooh, what are you? It's a little baby. I think it's a lipstick. It's Smashbox. I brought my glasses. Do you think I would put them on? Yes, it is a liquid lipstick, and I think it's going to be in a color that I like, and I'm going to try it on because I only have gloss on, and I really like their doe foot applicators because they have that slant to them with a hole in it, so it's cool. I like it. It's like a brownie nude, but I think it's really pretty, and I do enjoy their formula. So I'm really happy so far. And why in goodness name did I wear this sweatshirt? Holy shnikes. The first one is the Caviar, Lord, I'm struggling again. Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. Alright. Strengthens and protects damaged hair up to 450 degrees. So you're supposed to use this with, heat styling. Again, I don't heat style in the summer. And I would really love to try this because this is Alterna. And this is a very expensive brand, especially their Caviar. Hold on, let's do lipstick check. Of course there is. Wouldn't be a video without lipstick on my teeth. But I'm really super happy. And this is a really generous size. They could have given us that little teeny tiny one. So yay. Oh, and I got another of my Bad Girl Bang Mascara, which I love because I'm almost done with my other sample. I will be very thrilled to continue to get these because I really do like this mascara. For me, this was a fabulous bag this month. I'm so excited. Now I just want to read up on the products. Lash Out Loud is the title on this one. And of course, this is by Benefit. Again, I have heard and I have confirmation that the full size is not the same as the mini. So in my opinion, if you're going to get the mascara, buy the minis because I hear they are much better. Out of This World mascara, they're getting punny again. That adds weightless length and volume for up to 36 hours. I've personally never worn my mascara or any makeup for that amount of time for 36 hours unless I was like lost in the woods somewhere. And I think if I was lost in the woods for 36 hours, I really wouldn't be thinking about how my mascara is holding up. That's me. If it happens to you, okay. Matte About You by Smashbox. Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick, and Stepping Out is the color that I received. I probably would have known that if I looked a little bit further with the magnifying glass. A high-impact matte liquid lipstick in a deep nude shade that stays put for 8 hours. 8 hours is a good amount of time. I don't think it's going to last for 8 hours, but it's very, very comfortable. It is not drying in the least. This highly pigmented formula has a primer oil complex that makes its wear not only long-lasting but comfortable and flawless too. Cool. The Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream, a coconut-infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. What is it about like the 3-day thing? I don't know. Serve tropical vibes with this coconut sugar Carpaccio concoction that draws moisture out of the air and into your skin with a delightful, warm, and buttery scent. Okay, they're admitting that it has a buttery scent to it. For those of us who want to smell like we just rolled around in some movie butter popcorn, this is a great thing. Okay, the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. It smooths, it brightens, and it depuffs. It says an intense eye cream that reduces the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. I doubt that this will be a true tale of what it's going to do for my lines, but I want to see how moisturizing it is, so I will let you know about that. Okay, I will say that it has niacinamide as I think the 5th ingredient, and then has cetyl alcohol, which is one of the good alcohols, and of course I think the 3rd ingredient is shea butter, which is going to be good for you. It looks like it does have some decent ingredients in it, so I will be anxious to try this. This may not last me long enough, but I may go back and ask at Sephora for another sample, so maybe I can continue to get at least 6 weeks out of it, so I can really give you a good idea of if it's reducing any of the lines and wrinkles. This I'm so excited about, but I wish I could use it now. Literal protection is what it's saying. Alterna hair care, caviar anti-aging, restructuring, bond repair, leave-in heat protection spray. That is a mouthful. A vitamin-rich leave-in spray that cares for and protects strands from heat damage. Get your hair ready for styling with the smoothing, shine-enhancing formula that helps prevent breakage, frizz, and split ends with just a couple of sprays. And you're supposed to put this in your towel-dried hair, obviously. Let's see if they tell me the notes of this fragrance. Again, this is Viktor and Rolf. It's called Salty Flower. Orange flowers mingle with cashmere and salty accord. Okay. To create a fresh, magical fragrance. Dutch fashion designers Victor Horsting and Rolf Snoren I kept saying snoring, I'm sorry. Wanted to create a line of apothecary-inspired fragrances that felt more like magic potions than perfumes, thus the Magic Collection was born. The notes are, the family is floral, so that is the predominant scent. The top note is salt flower accord. I've never smelled the salt flower. I have no idea what that could be. The middle note is frangipani flower. And the base note is cashmere. I've never smelled any one of those flowers before. But they smell pretty nice. Let's smell the butter popcorn again. Okay, I had like 3 minutes left to film, and of course my memory card got full. What I was trying to say was I'm super happy with this bag. Of course, you know, I'm going to try to get this video up tonight, even though it's late. I want to try to get it up before 9 o'clock so I can stay and hang out in the comments with you guys. But I want to add up the products, let you know the value of it. I think it's pretty good value considering just this alone. But I really like this box. Again, there are so many variations. I don't know which box I got. Oh, it says I got box A. I answered my own question right away. So I got box A. Let me know what you got, what your products are, if you like them, if you love them, if you hated your box this month. It's all good. I mean, you know, it's an experience. What can I say? But I am going to have some more of this so I can get through the editing process in one piece. And I just want to thank you guys so very much for joining me. I said, I can't even go into it. I'm just going to get emotional. But you know what you guys mean to me. I love you tremendously. And whatever part of the world you're in on and around, I hope you're having an amazing day, an amazing week. And if you're new here, hello. And if you like me, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe, because it would really mean the world to me, and maybe give the video a thumbs up. But have a great week, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye. I'll stop.